In this video we're going to be looking at connecting up a gateway onto the GoBright platform. A couple of ways in which we can do this. We're going to be using the activation code as the first way. So let's go into devices, and first thing you would need to do is go to profiles, and you'd need to create a profile. In this case we've got ours already set up, but you would need to go into add, give it a name and the type of profile that you were actually looking to set up. In that case it would be gateway. Once your profile is set up, then we can go to gateways, and so we can go to add. I'm going to set this up as Ian's gateway. We've got the profile that you can choose for your gateway, and we've got the time zone, and now we've got an activation code that we can put in. So the first way is I've already scanned my system and I've picked up the IP address of my gateway on the system. So I'm going to go into now that IP address, followed by 80. That takes me in. Because this is the first time this gateway has been activated, there's no password or PIN code, so I can just click sign in, and that will take me into my gateway itself. And within here, if I go to my settings, you can see the settings, and I've got an activation code. So I'm going to take that activation code and I'm going to drop that into my portal, and I can then click save. So that's now added it. It says activation pending, and that as soon as that's connected to my gateway, that will then be saying activated. Now that the gateway is saying activated, I've now got on my gateway 2 green lights to show that the gateway is on, and also that it has now been connected to my GoBright platform. So we've set that up from scratch. The second way you could have done that is if we were adding a gateway, then as well as giving it the name and the gateway, rather than use the activation code method, then we can use gateway information. And the gateway information that you require, the serial number and the installation code, is on the back of the gateway itself. So that's how you can set up a gateway onto the GoBright portal, either by using the activation code or by using the installation code in conjunction with the serial number on the back of the gateway itself.